Hello everyone, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's selection, we will be counting down the top summer gadgets to get this year. The items in this video will help you cool down in the summer heat, as well as keep you entertained. And we didn't forget about those sweet summer cookouts. Tired of sweltering in the summer heat, feeling like you're about to melt into a puddle? We've got just the thing to keep you cool and collected. This is the Kuni Portable Waist Fan. With its 2-in-1 design, this nifty fan can clip onto your belt or t-shirt, or even be worn around your neck, leaving your hands free for all your activities. And don't be fooled by its size. This fan packs a punch with 3 adjustable speeds, reaching up to 52,000 RPM while keeping noise levels low. Looking for an entertaining addition to your beach bag? Say hello to the Active Life Ultimate Skip Ball, the game changer for outdoor fun. This isn't just any ball, it's a ticket to epic beach or poolside adventures. Beat the heat and play toss. Tired of lugging around bulky towels that take up precious space in your bag? Say hello to the 4Monster Compact Micro Towel. This towel is small and absorbent and fits anywhere. It has compact microfiber and is useful for the pool, hiking, or hitting the gym. They come in multitude of sizes, but all small enough to take up minimal space in a backpack. Looking for a splash-tastic way to beat the heat and stay entertained? Look no further than Soppy CID reusable water balloons, the Toy Insider's top summer toy of 2023. Crafted from soft silicone and awarded for safety, these balloons are eco-friendly and reusable over 1,000 times. Say goodbye to endless cleanup and broken balloon bits. With quick-fill technology and leak-proof seals, they're ready for aquatic adventures in just 1 second. Spice things up with this charcoal barrel kebab grill. Using this grill is a breeze. Simply add charcoal to the fire barrel, water to the oil pan, and your skewered food to the rack. In just a few minutes, you'll have a deliciously crispy and tender BBQ that's sure to satisfy. And clean up? Don't sweat it. The BBQ grill barrel is easy to disassemble and clean, so you can spend less time scrubbing and more time enjoying your meal. Stuck in the back seat on a scorching day with the AC barely making a dent? Say hello to Zool electric car fans for rear seat, your ticket to instant relief and cool comfort. Equipped with 2 rotatable fan heads, these 12V electric car fans blast air around your parked car, ensuring rear seat passengers and furry friends stay cool and comfy. With 360-degree rotation and adjustable speed settings, you can tailor the airflow to your liking, all while keeping noise levels low for undisturbed relaxation. But it's not just about staying cool. These fans also improve air circulation, banishing moisture, smoke, and pet odors for a fresher driving experience. Introducing the White Shark Diving Propeller, your ticket to underwater exploration. With its simplified design and universal interface, this propeller is compatible with almost all sports cameras, ensuring you capture every underwater moment in stunning detail. Compact and lightweight, weighing just 3.5 cups, it's easy to take on all your travels. But don't let its size fool you. With double thrusters delivering it, can push a grown man to 3.5 miles an hour. It's ready to take you on an underwater journey like never before. Impress your friends with our Testia Sizzling Hot Stone, a fun way to add some uniqueness to your meal while dining together. Preheat the granite stone in the oven or over the fire, then sear meats and veggies to perfection right at the dinner table. With 2 cooking stones included, each with special heat-retaining abilities, you can seal in flavors and keep your meals tender and juicy. Plus, 3 sauce bowls and a side plate make presentation a breeze. Stay cool and hands-free this summer with the SIV PowerNeck Fan. With 78 air vents and innovative turbofan blades, it delivers a gentle breeze for ultimate comfort. Plus, its bladeless design ensures safety for children and the elderly. Enjoy freedom of movement with its headphone-inspired design, perfect for outdoor activities, office work, or gym sessions. USB rechargeable with 3-speed wind options, it offers 3 to 16 hours of cooling on a single charge. Introducing the WeCapo Inflatable Lounger, your ticket to ultimate outdoor relaxation without the hassle of pumps or tools. Simply whisk it through the air to inflate, trapping air by closing the sleeve opening for effortless setup. Designed with a patented pillow-shaped headrest, it provides comfortable support for your upper back and neck when you need to unwind. The anti-deflation technology ensures the lounger stays inflated for up to 5, not your 6 hours of relaxation. Introducing the VEVR Inflatable Water Bouncer. Featuring a 3-step ladder and slide entry and exit are a breeze, while large wave handles provide a comfortable grip for added safety. Thanks to the high-speed inflation-deflation pump, setup is quick and easy, allowing you to enjoy summer fun in just minutes. Complete with anchor ropes, bags, ladder, and more, installation is straightforward with built-in handles for convenient transportation. The Intex Blue Tropic Inflatable Floating Island. Perfect for lakes or pools, this island accommodates up to 5 people, boasting 3 lounging backrests for ultimate relaxation. With 4 cup holders and a built-in cooler, your drinks stay chilled while you soak up the sun. Mesh netting keeps you cool, and 4 handles make boarding a breeze. Quickly inflate for immediate fun or deflate for easy storage. So now, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.